Okay, this is a very short one. I really do like these very small realistic amps. I know they're probably technically rubbish from a point of view of hi-fi, but if you want some small shelf type speakers, they're very good, and the fact they're multi-input and they'll take record players and they have a line out on them is quite cool. I've got three of these things now, and this one's on my computer. But I was at a boot sale and I came across the proper realistic speakers to go with them, and I thought, oh great. So I managed to get them for a sensible-ish price. I think I paid about £7 for the pair in the end. And I got them home quite excited that now I would have matching speakers for my hi-fi amplifier, perhaps not hi-fi but my amplifier, and plugged them in, and they sounded absolutely bloody terrible. But what I discovered was that the cone was absolutely rock hard, and what I was able to do was just massage the outside of the cone very gently, just to try and free up the rubber in the fabric that surrounded the cone. And I tried it and it sounded okay, but I couldn't turn it very loud, probably only about 30% volume. But I persevered with them, and over the space of about a week they got better and better and better, to the point where it actually sounds quite good now. So if you get some speakers and they sound terrible, be aware that that could be the issue. The rubber's just hardened off through lack of use, and if you just persevere and gently turn the volume up and up and up over the space of a few hours or days, it might fix themselves. There you go.